Hey, I just wanted to share something I've been doing lately. Hopefully, it's just a tip that might help you out if you're doing work that is highly repetitive, especially when you're taking lots of information from the same data, and you're putting that into a different format. But basically, you're just recycling the same information and you're dropping it into different areas or different locations. First of all, start with Claude. Claude is an expert in using Excel and building artifacts within Excel. So you can very easily describe to Claude in a conversational way what you want to do, what your process is, what the outputs need to be. You have to give it very specific terms to be able to get it to do exactly what you want it to do, but the more specific you are, the better. And then ultimately describe the outcome that you want to achieve, and then go to work. And you're going to get a rough draft, and that rough draft is not going to be perfect, and you're going to need to continue to tweak it. So you just continue to work through. And what I do is I use it in my real workflow. As soon as I get that first rough draft, I begin using it. And then I can very quickly see the areas where it's not giving me the output that is exactly what I would like. And then I just go back to the conversation that I built it in, and I add, another tweak and another tweak. So this document here, I built to use with Bluebeam Max to be able to export a CSV. So Bluebeam, you can very easily take all of your markups, any data that you've added into your plan set, and you can export that as a CSV. And what I wanted to be able to do was to take that export and to drop it into a format like this, and then to very quickly have this full format understood and tallied into information that then shows up over here on my master page. And for me, this all relates to window coverings, but typically I have to drop these into several different formats. So one window covering format could cover, basically one Bluebeam CSV could cover potentially 7 or 8 different types of window coverings. All those types of window coverings are unique, and they have their little nuances. And so I need an output that will be clean for all of the different products, but I need it to come from that one CSV so that I don't have to continue to sort, shuffle information around, potentially lose data or transpose something. I wanted to be able to just drop it once in one common spot, and then have it auto-populate across the spectrum that I'm working within. And this is all custom for my use, but you can take this principle and you can literally apply it to anything. So if you're an Excel heavy user and you haven't started using Claude, get yourself a $20 a month subscription and start experimenting. It will change your life.